struggling, posting video, no views. You posted your videos. It's now 1 year. You have like 20 or 200 subscribers. This video for you. Don't skip the video. Don't waste your time. I'm starting now. I'm giving you the new trick. Well, most of the people, they accumulate large number of subscribers using shorts. Others subscribing on your channel because of the content you are posting. But in that shorts, you can make errors as your target was to make good content of long time content. If you are making shorts and you know that your shorts are going viral all the time, but your goal later it will be on long time videos. Before you go on views or before you go on subscribers, always be with a goal why you started your channel. Right now, I'm going to show you very simple tricks how you can gain or how you can benefit from your shorts as you growing up, getting big audience, and later you start long-term videos, and the audience, they just convert from shorts, go direct to your long-time videos. How are you going to do this? Well, if your target of your if your target to open up your YouTube channel was to discuss about sports, well, make sure you post shorts about sports. Make those clips so that you collect large number of views in a shorter period of time. With time, or like 6 months or 1 year, you will be having like 100,000 subscribers, right? And again, you come to long-term videos. Generating content is very difficult. Generating content is very difficult. But about shorts, you can be genetical. You can get your own shorts and you design in the way you want. You can use CapCut to re-edit that video you get. And look, the catchy part. When you get the catchy part, you can put like sound suffix, like audio suffix, different effects, so that you mix that video and be attractive to the audience. Whenever you post it on your YouTube channel, it will just go viral in a shorter period of time. Always be creative if you want or you target big audience. These people, they need good thing. Make sure you re-edit your video, your short. It's very short, but compacted with a lot of funny things, right? So if you re-edit, try to put attractive things. There's stickers, there's video suffix, there's different sounds, funny sounds. You know those audio funny sounds, like someone is laughing, someone is complaining, someone is, you know, those things. So try to be creative whenever you're posting or whenever you're creating your content. So on shorts, people, they also make another problem. So you want to create your own shorts, but at times you collaborate with other big content creators. That thing is good. It helps you to connect or to attach to big audience in a shorter period of time. But it's better you make your own audience. You start making your own shorts without collaborating with anyone. Because when you start with like 10 viewers, like after a week, you turn to 100. After like 6 months, you can post your short and clock to 5K, 10K. So which means you have already created your big audience. And that views and watching hours will not be shared with anyone. But if we collaborate with another one, or you remix with another one, you will be sharing those views, those watching hours. If it's time for revenue, you will be sharing that revenue. So always make sure you get your own content. Avoid re-downloading content from other people's accounts. Some people, they get like other apps, they access someone's YouTube channel and try to download those shorts later and bring it. Even they don't change. Yes, you can re-download, but try to change the characters. Try to re-edit to make your own so that you own your thing, because they will not be the same. So in that situation, always be creative. On shorts, I'm still on shorts because most of the people who are studying, mostly beginners, their target is to get big audience. And shorts is the only way you can accumulate large number of views and a large number of subscribers within a short period of time, like 1 month to 6 months. You can be already clocking 2K subscribers and at times watching hours, like 4,000 watching hours, and you monetize your channel. So on shorts, whenever you going to edit, you can use this app. this app is legit and has good features. CapCut can give you real features. You can edit to re-edit your content and becomes real. You give it more life. How will you give your video a real, or you give it a real life? Maybe you get someone is doing something which is funny, and you bring it, you put in CapCut. First of all, you are going to use the filters. The filters is going to change the resolution. Another thing is you are going to use sound suffix or effects. If someone is doing something funny, of course, you put funny sound effects. So that thing will give vibe to your video. Whenever giving a vibe to your video, the people will like it. You know, shorts, it's like people are scrolling. Whenever someone finds something which is funny, which is so interesting, something which is catchy, is attractive, impressive, giving good impression, so it will remain on that shorts. Whenever I find your video, first stop and watch that video. So always use CapCut. CapCut has different features, has filters to change the resolution. It has stickers, give you different features. Like stickers combines a lot of things. There's no way you can go and picture like a car and you make it a sticker. It's already there. You just go in stickers, you go to search button, you put cars, you put flags, you put animals, you put cow, goat, and other kind of animals, and they bring you those stickers. In that, it can help you to remix your video. Another thing within CapCut, it's about the audio. Someone can be talking in the audio or in the video, and the sound is not clear. CapCut can help you to clean that video and remove the background noise, and you get a clear information within that video. And also, it can increase the volume. Someone can be, maybe you get a video, the sound is very low, and you want to post it. So people, they will not hear it very well. Some information is not coming on very well. So you can increase that volume. At the end of the day, when you're exporting your file, the sound will be clear. Another thing within CapCut, to re-giving life to your new edited video when you want to post it as short, it's when you are exporting your content. By the time you're exporting content, a CapCut can give you option to export that file in like HD type. There's sometimes 100, 1008, at times like 2K, at times 4K, at times 1K, at times 700 something. So CapCut can give you a good quality of video by the time of exporting your content. Always try to give your audience the best. I know most of you want things can be interesting for you. Your audience, they like other things, for you like other things. Always try. If it's your first time to watch me or to see me, this is Gabits. I'm here to giving you new tips, new updates within YouTube and other applications, but mostly YouTube. I'm teaching on premium applications and free, at times partial premium applications.